This your boy Precision Connections at PrecisionConnectionsAuto.com, where the right connections are the only connections. So we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and this customer tried to install multicolor LED lights, which caused the cluster to become damaged. The speedometer gauges weren't working, so he went out and bought a used speedometer from eBay, but once he plugged it into the dash, the mileage read different. So now I'm here just to transfer the correct mileage from the original speedometer onto the new speedometer that he bought on. So first thing you want to do is go to the EEPROM adapter menu. So the EEPROM program menu, and you just want to select read. Once you do that, so I'm gonna go to the EEPROM adapter menu. Then I'm gonna install my clip. This clip doesn't come with the unit. It just simplifies your life, so you don't have to desolder the chip off the board. In most cases, you will have to desolder the chip because that chip will be locked down to either ground or the oscillating clock. But in this case, you can program it directly on the board. So I'm actually just extracting the data from the IC, and I'm just waiting for the data to completely load onto the Xtool Xpad module. We can just see that right now. So I'm saving the file. You always want to save everything from the good board as well as the bad board, just in case that something is wrong with the board that you received in the mail. You want to be able to send it back to the supplier with all the initial data that was on it. This way it helps you out in not having to file any disputes. Okay, so we have that saved. I'm just gonna show you guys now how the data looks on the Xpad Xtool. So I'm going to show you the extract data on the Xpad Xtool. So you always want to save your files using the appropriate name so you don't forget. So you don't want to put AAA or ABC or something like that. You want to put the exact vehicle on there. This way, if you got to run back a week or 2 weeks or a month later to fix something, okay, this was the car. You might want to add the VIN number or the license plate number on it as well, just so you know what data belongs to what car, so you can keep everything legit and legal. You don't want to make any mistakes. Alright, so we're just putting that in right now. So again, this video is just to show you guys the capability of what it can do. It's not really a step-by-step video, even though you could use the video if you ever come across this car to, kind of guide you in where and exactly what's going on. So that's the actual hexadecimal code that's coming off of the IC from the speedometer cluster. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. So subscribe to the channel, PrecisionConnectionsAuto.com.